Big Pharma just got its worst nightmare. A small AI company did in 18 months what traditionally takes over a decade, and the drug actually works. For the first time in history, a drug with both a brand new biological target and a brand new molecular structure, both discovered entirely by AI, has shown it can improve lung function in real patients, not a computer simulation, living human beings. That company is Insilico Medicine. The drug is called rentosartib, and it just passed phase 2 clinical trials for a deadly lung disease that had no good treatment. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss a daily AI update. Here's why this matters so much. The traditional drug discovery process is brutal. On average, it takes 10 to 15 years and over $2 billion to bring a single drug to market, and most of them fail. The historical phase 1 success rate, just the first human trial, sits around 50%. Half of all drugs fail before they even get to real testing. Big Pharma has operated on this broken, expensive model for decades, and they've profited enormously from it. AI is now completely rewriting those odds. Insilico Medicine's AI pipeline discovers drug candidates in 12 to 18 months, compared to the traditional 4.5 years. They've nominated 20 preclinical drug candidates since 2021. In January 2026, they received FDA approval to take an AI-designed Parkinson's disease treatment into human trials. This drug crosses the blood-brain barrier, something notoriously difficult to engineer, and AI figured out how to do it. Meanwhile, Novartis used AI to identify 5 kidney disease targets in under 1 year, work that had completely stumped traditional research methods for years. They generated 15 million potential drug compounds computationally and only needed to physically test about 60 of them in the lab. 60 versus 15 million. And then there is Isomorphic Labs, Google DeepMind's drug discovery spinoff company. In February 2026, they unveiled a new AI model that one Columbia University computational biologist called the scale of an AlphaFold 4. They're already on track to dose the first patients with fully AI-optimized cancer drugs by the end of 2026. Sanofi's CEO told Fortune magazine that AI is now running their drug approval committee meetings. The AI gives a full assessment of whether a drug should advance, compares it to every other drug in development, and calculates opportunity cost against other uses of capital. Sanofi has discovered 10 completely new drug targets in just 1 year using AI. Fast Company reported this April that AI-generated drugs are now passing phase 1 clinical safety trials at a rate of 80 to 90%, nearly double the historical benchmark for the entire pharmaceutical industry.
Drop a comment below. How are you using AI to make money right now? Now, here is how you can profit from this revolution today, because the financial opportunity here is enormous. AI-native biotech companies are showing 40 to 50% shorter development timelines and nearly double the phase 1 success rates compared to traditional pharma. Bernstein Research says AI will boost pharma profits by over 10% and cut R&D costs significantly in the coming years. McKinsey projects AI could unlock $60 to $110 billion in annual value for the pharmaceutical industry. The easiest play right now? ARK Invest's ARKG ETF, the ARK Genomics Revolution Fund, gives you broad exposure to AI biotech, including Recursion Pharmaceuticals. Recursion, ticker RXRX, operates a fully automated drug discovery lab running 24 hours a day, with a dataset of billions of biological images that no human team could ever process manually. The second play is Insilico Medicine itself, trading on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange under ticker 3696. Their 2025 annual results released in March 2026 showed 8 programs in active clinical development simultaneously, a pace that would have been impossible without AI. And the third angle is watching the broader wave. As more AI-designed drugs hit phase 2 and phase 3 trials throughout 2026, the biotech sector is going to see a major repricing. The companies that get to market first with AI-designed drugs will capture enormous value. Now here is a life hack most people completely miss. You do not need a medical degree or $1 billion research budget to use these same AI tools right now. Google DeepMind's AlphaFold 3 is available for free at alphafoldserver.com. It can predict exactly how proteins in your body interact with potential drug compounds, the same foundation that pharma companies are building on. If you or someone you love has a disease with no good treatment, researchers worldwide are using this tool to find new approaches, and so can you. For health research, try Consensus.app. It is an AI that searches peer-reviewed scientific papers and gives you evidence-based answers. Ask it anything from what does research say about metformin for longevity to which supplements actually reduce inflammation. Real science, no pharmaceutical marketing layered on top. And use elicit.org to pull clinical trial data and summarize research on any drug or condition, completely free. The AI drug revolution is not coming. It is already here. The first fully AI-designed drug just proved it works in real patients. The companies doing this are public. The tools are accessible. The only question is whether you position yourself now or watch from the sidelines. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We drop AI Alpha every single day. See you tomorrow.